Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how do you hide names on iPhone text messages. So let's start. So first, you want to go to your notifications. Now scroll down and tap on iMessages. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Show Previous. Now, previous here shows a part of the message that also includes the sender's name. Now, if you tap on Never, you will also get a notification, but it will not tell you what the message is about and it will not show you the sender's information. Now, this is going to hide the names in your notification. However, you can always see the sender's name when you open your Messages app. So I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.